Hi everyone, now Friday, again I will arrive Angeles City, Balibago, and today this video is sponsored by our long-time supporter Nicholas, and thank you for him. He sent money to us, to Shaira, and now I will go to show to you Italian restaurant, what's menu in Italian restaurant near ABC Hotel. You know, it's a very popular restaurant, Albasio. I already eat in this restaurant before, but he asking maybe have some new, and also I will show to you what new in the Balibago, in the Fields Avenue, because construction workers here, they remove some buildings. I will show to you what happened now. Thank you for watching in advance. Jollibee already painting. I think soon they open with Jollibee. Okay, prepare already. And now heavy traffic. But this parking already full. It means many tourists already arrive here. You see, yeah, already they prepare. Maybe next week will open. And also hotel. Take a look, this is hotel already not working. Hana Hotel. Empty, don't have windows. But this 950 Condotel working now. And also you see how they remove already. Stall number 6 only open. Traffic, always here traffic. Dollar now 56.80. Mango. How much mango today?
120.
120. Okay, thank you. Mango 120. Jeepney from here to Friendship 13 peso. Street foods also here. You see what we eat, fry foods. So many street foods here. Oil, coconut. Excuse me, how much coconut now one? 50. Ah, it's only 50 drink. It's 50 one. If all coconut, how much? All coconut, how much one? 50. 50, okay. Okay, a drink how much with? How much?
15, 20.
This is 15 and 20 bigger. And 50 peso big coconut, yes? Okay, thank you. Also street foods here. So many street foods. Who waiting jeepney can eat here. And you see people going from the Clark. Maybe, I don't know from where. Okay, I will try to go. Uncle John. Uncle John. But we going to the Albasio restaurant. Albasio restaurant, Italian restaurant. Eurotel. First time I stay here in Eurotel. First my hotel in Angeles City 12 years ago. Monthly rate 1,000 a day, 30,000 peso 1 month. I think expensive. Maybe not expensive, I don't know. Divera Hotel. One day I also stay in Divera Hotel. Gay bar closed now. Angel's Bakery next time I will eat. Good. Angel's Bakery. Ресторан. Korean ресторан. I don't know, this is Thai foods, but I not seen people outside. This is parking ABC Hotel. Entrance. This is entrance to. If you want to go to, if you use car, this is entrance and this exit. This exit. ABC Hotel. Georgi before staying in this hotel. I never stay in ABC Hotel. Breakfast. Brass Knob Hotel. I also never stay here. What is hotel? Korean maybe. But it look like Chinese style. Oh, Manila Airport 5,500 VIP. Subic 4,000. Clark Airport 600, also expensive. So you see already Albasio restaurant. This is Albasio. Okay, from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Okay. Oh, empty, don't have people. No, don't have people is good. I can take video here. You see, this is Albasio restaurant. I will order first and the filming for you. Maybe here, not cold. Maybe I will sit here. You see. Oh, Italian music. Restaurant. Good afternoon. Now we see 5 p.m. Menu, please. Menu.
Menu?
Here menu. Okay, thank you very much. Price here. Pizza. Okay. Wine. Oh. But I not drink already alcohol. Even wine I not drink already. Okay. Can you help me? Before I order, like pizza, like wrap.
Pizza?
No, not pizza. It's like wrap, like same like pizza, but like folding, like.
Calzone?
Yes, maybe calzone.
Yes.
Yeah, available right now.
Yeah, available.
Okay, one.
One?
One and regular water.
Okay.
Not ice, no ice. Can I take video here? It's okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, they allowed me take video, but I already filming. Reservation here. Original. Small restaurant, but comfortable here, you see. Good. But I choose this table because I don't want aircon, I don't want cold. Wine, okay, you can see wine. What kind of wine have here? Excuse me, but sometimes you talk in Italy language, but you can speak Italy language or not?
Poquito.
Little bit only, because
Yeah.
you maybe talk with customers here
Yes, yes.
and little bit can speak. Okay.
Only basic.
Basic, but basic you know good, so you can.
Very, very little.
Okay, thank you. But I know only Albasio. No, I know some words, but forgot already. Okay, thank you very much. This one, calzone. I remember I eat before with our friend from Italy. Ready cut, and you see this what inside. Cheese. Okay, I will open more. Very hot, need to wait a little bit. Maybe someone asking where Shaira, why you not go with Shaira? Shaira cannot go today because she sleep. Last night she feel not good and only daytime now she sleep. That's why I don't want to disturb her. And morning also, every morning she need to go to school to send her young sister baby to the school. She use electric bike and every morning 5 a.m. already she go, and 11 a.m. she need to return from the school with children. and that's why she not sleep last night and sleep only right now. That's why I don't want to disturb you, but don't worry, I already ordered foods for her, she have foods, she can eat in home. Because I come back to home only maybe after 8 p.m. Where Georgi? Georgi today playing billiard. But he said feel not good also, but he already drinking medicine. Later I will explain where he live, what he doing, I asking him, because I don't want to now talk about Georgi if he not near. First I want to talk with him, or I need to ask him. He allowed me to talk about him. Okay, I will eat now first, and later I will walk to Balibago, in the Hills Avenue, Red Street. I will show to you everything in the Hills Avenue in Balibago. Already finished it, and also I will take for Shira calzone. She will eat on home later, because I cannot eat so much. It's for Shira also, take out. Okay, good restaurant. And I will go to the Red Street, Walking Street. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.